Welcome to Girona, a captivating city in the northeast of Catalonia, Spain. Known for its rich history, stunning architecture, and vibrant culture, Girona offers a delightful blend of the ancient and the modern. Nestled between the Pyrenees Mountains and the Mediterranean Sea, this city has been a crossroads of civilizations throughout its history. As we embark on this virtual journey, we'll explore the city's most cherished landmarks, each with its own story to tell. From medieval walls to contemporary art, Girona is a treasure trove waiting to be discovered, offering insights into its diverse cultural influences and historical significance. Our journey begins at the Catedral de Girona, a majestic Gothic cathedral that dominates the skyline. With the widest Gothic nave in the world, this cathedral is not only an architectural marvel, but also a symbol of Girona's historical significance. Its construction began in the 11th century, and its architecture reflects a variety of styles, from Romanesque to Baroque. As you explore its grand interiors, the intricate details of the tapestries and the stunning altarpiece will transport you back to the Middle Ages, offering a glimpse into the artistic and religious life of the time. Next, we venture into Alcalá, one of the best-preserved Jewish quarters in Europe. The narrow, winding streets tell tales of the vibrant Jewish community that thrived here during the medieval period, contributing significantly to the cultural and economic life of Girona. Discover the Museum of Jewish History to gain deeper insights into the cultural heritage and contributions of Girona's Jewish inhabitants. This area serves as a poignant reminder of the community's resilience and the complex history of coexistence in the region. For panoramic views of Girona, a walk along the Passeig de la Muralla is a must. These ancient walls, dating back to Roman times, encircle the old city and offer breathtaking vistas of Girona's landscape. As you stroll along the path, imagine the history these walls have witnessed over the centuries, from Roman soldiers to medieval knights. This vantage point provides a unique perspective of the city's evolution and its strategic importance throughout history. Step into the serene atmosphere of the Bons Arabs, reflecting Girona's Moorish influence. Built in the 12th century, these baths showcase Romanesque architecture with a unique blend of Islamic design. The central domed room, with its elegant arches and columns, is particularly captivating, offering a glimpse into the bathing rituals and architectural ingenuity of the time. These baths serve as a testament to the rich cultural tapestry that has shaped Girona over the centuries. Crossing the Pont de Petra, you'll find the picturesque Unya Ribe, lined with colorful houses that create a stunning visual tapestry. This iconic view is a photographer's delight, offering reflections that capture the essence of Girona. Each bridge along the river tells its own story, connecting the past and present seamlessly, and providing vital links for commerce and trade throughout history. The vibrant facades of the riverfront houses reflect the artistic spirit and dynamic history of the city. Experience the architectural brilliance of Girona's most famous modernist architect, Rafael Masso, at Casa Mazo. This house museum offers a glimpse into the early 20th century Catalan modernism movement, with its distinctive design and elegant interiors. The house is a testament to Masso's innovative spirit and his ability to blend traditional Catalan elements with modernist style, making it a must-visit for architecture enthusiasts and those interested in the region's cultural evolution. The bustling Plaza de la Independencia is a favorite gathering spot for locals and tourists alike. Surrounded by neoclassical buildings, this lively square hosts numerous cafes and restaurants, making it an ideal place to relax and soak in the vibrant atmosphere. The square is named in honor of the defenders of the city during the War of Spanish Independence, adding a layer of historical significance to this popular destination. The Monastery of Sant Pere de Gallegons is a stunning example of Romanesque architecture. This former Benedictine abbey now houses the Archaeological Museum of Catalonia, where you can explore artifacts from various historical periods. The monastery's intricate carvings and impressive cloister provide insight into the religious and artistic endeavors of medieval Girona, making it a fascinating stop for history buffs and art lovers alike. Escape the urban hustle at the Parc de la Devesa, Girona's largest urban park. Known for its towering plane trees, this green oasis is perfect for a leisurely stroll or a peaceful picnic. The park is also home to a vibrant market that brings the community together, offering a variety of local produce and crafts. This tranquil setting provides a refreshing contrast to the city's historic and architectural attractions. For cinema enthusiasts, the Museu del Cinema offers a fascinating journey through the history of film. With its impressive collection of film artifacts and interactive exhibits, this museum celebrates the magic of cinema and its evolution over the years. The museum's engaging displays transport visitors into the world of filmmaking, from its early beginnings to the modern era, making it a captivating experience for all ages. As our virtual tour of Girona comes to an end, we hope you've enjoyed discovering the city's rich history and vibrant culture with us. Whether you're drawn to its medieval charm or modern attractions, Girona is a city that promises unforgettable experiences. With its warm hospitality and diverse offerings, Girona invites you to explore its hidden gems and embrace its unique character. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.